Is your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 not turning on? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue could be due to a faulty power supply or internal board problems that prevent it from starting. Our team will check all components to identify the fault and provide a solution that often involves replacing the damaged parts. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.